Today, friends, I'm going to show you how I make my French coils after braiding. This is how I make my French coils. This is how I achieve my French coils. So I'm going to do the same on the rest of the braids.
Drives me insane. Don't lie to me.
So I'm going to make it a little bit faster for the sake of time, because I would like you to see the outcome of these coils. I wanted to see how the outcome will look like. So after using roller on the hair, so I'm going to dip it inside a hot water. So now I'm done with the hot water. I'm starting to lose the coils from the roller. After I'm done with that, I cut the tip of the hair. Then I apply mousse to detangle the coils. Can you see the outcome of this hair? Can you see how beautiful this French coils comes out? Bouncy. Please don't forget to like this video, share and comment, subscribe, so you'll be the first to be notified whenever we have a new uploaded video on my channel. Thank you and remain blessed.